world? Scott's the Cane. This is the House of Sticks channel. Today, we're talking about a knife. Like nothing to do with video production or business, except it kind of does. But today is kind of our review of CRK knives. This is arguably the world's greatest pocket knife. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. So here at House of Sticks, we are primarily a video production company. We are great at telling stories with cameras. So what do knives have to do with business? CRK makes a fantastic product. And really, if you want to succeed in your business, if you want to be really good at making videos, if you want to make it business, make great things. It's so important, so crucial to having a successful business. If you can make really great things and get other people to buy off on it, provide with them a fantastic experience and a fantastic product, you're good. You are so good. Chris Reeve Knives. So how did this project even come about? We were on a mission to go find the world's best makers of stuff. I was asking around and I said, hey, who makes the best blade out there? And Chris Reeve came up. I called up and said, we're looking to make a series about the people that make the artisans in the world that make the best products, and your name has come up. They saw our current work that we've made, and we were interested in doing something and telling the story of a cool company, and we came to an agreement, and they sent us down back home to Texas with these knives, and we were able to shoot some promotional sort of like really cool images of these knives. We did have the opportunity to make some really fantastic videos for them. Some of the stuff that I think is the best stuff we've ever shot, believe it or not. They allowed me to take some motion stills of them, and I'll show some of them right here. The thing that blew me away the most about this company is the amount of detail, the amount of knowledge and perfection that they put into every single product. Chris basically was the guy who started the frame lock thing, invented it years ago, and if you don't know what a frame lock is, the frame lock is basically this piece right here. So when you look at the knife, the way it locks in place here is you push this over and go up like that. Look at that. That is out of the box. Like this has been used a little bit, but like, yo, this is a freaking cool knife. Like this is a very cool knife that comes from a very cool company. That's wood, and you get a little, like you can get different little like tassels, lanyards, I forget what they call them, but the crazy thing about it is I thought, golly, like why would you carry an $800 knife in your pocket? Like when do you need a blade? Yo, put a knife in your pocket and walk around and you'd be surprised how much you use a knife. If you're looking for a knife that you could have for a long time, that you can depend on, that you can work with, I don't know if there's a better knife out there. And if you want me to kind of wrap this back into what you can do as a business, make the world's best thing. Just be world class at whatever you do. This is not about money for them. Like, to be honest with you, the amount of money that they charge for these knives should probably be 2 or 3 times the amount they actually charge. Because the amount of care and precision and love and design that they put into every one of these knives is truly breathtaking. And I'm proud to have known them. I'm proud to have been able to work with them. I'm so proud that we have the opportunity to post some of their work on our website. Check out our Vimeo page. I think there's probably a link down in the subscription. I'll put a link in there to Chris Reeve Knives. Follow us on Vimeo so you can check out all this stuff. With that said, I'm gonna cut some more paper, make some comments below, subscribe. I think I figured out the subscribe thing, so I'm gonna put that little circle right here. Circle, subscribe. Check out our last videos. I'm gonna link another video up here. I'm Scott, this is House of Sticks channel. We love working with good people. CRK, fantastic. All right, I'm out.